So I went downtown. I know some people call it Bay, like my Bay, but I call it downtown. Then I went by Harmony Beach Park and I realized there were no vendors on the outside like there usually are. And then I saw the signs all over, front, back, side, everywhere. Let's see how long that's going to last. Then I passed this iron light post, very svelte and tall. I decided to capture it as well. I don't know why. Here is a close-up. Yeah, I continued to make my way on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Then I realized there is a sign up for the Vista Montego Bay Hotel or apartment complex that is being constructed. I can't seem to find the construction site. Let me see. I visited this site. I visited this section, I think it was last year, and I tried again this year. But me no know. I just can't seem to find the construction site. Me no see no construction agwan. I asked around on that day and no one was able to direct me to where the site was. But I hear that construction is going on and they even have a website up and now there's a billboard up. But for the website, I don't really think that means anything because some places tend to put up a website even before they start constructing. I can't seem to locate the site, so if you know, just scripts and tell me. Send me an email. Here's the email address up. So I'm bringing you closer so you can see the billboard better. So here's the close-up. You can even see the number. Just pause it and take it down if you want an apartment. I'm trying to make sure I don't capture anybody in the footage. It's difficult because people are always passing by and I can't stop them from walk. You're crazy. So I wait on them to walk by and then I start recording again. Of course, you can tell that it is beside the Old Fort Craft Market on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, or probably you can't tell, but let me just show you around so that you can have an idea of the location. So that's the location. Yeah. That's Harmony Beach Park across the street, the side part at least. This garbage just thrown in the middle of the island or whatever you want to call this place on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, the tourism capital of Jamaica. Crazy work. Somebody needs to come and clean up this. It don't look nice at all. Don't like it at all. Now I'm showing you some shots outside of Witter Village. I took this footage about like a couple weeks ago. I realized that there is some construction going on right here. Somebody close by told me that it is Wendy's that they're building right beside KFC. I don't know if that is true, but if that is the case, it will be Wendy's right beside KFC. Then I was trying to find the site where they are constructing Price Mart. I didn't see nothing go on, and I did not ask anyone. Now, I think I remember somebody telling me that it was beside Witter Village. Probably in a comment section. I don't know. Somebody told me. But apparently it's not right beside Witter Village. So if you know, let me know in the comments, all right? Look here, I'm standing up here so for how long. I could not get a taxi back in town. In the hot sun, had to put up my umbrella, but I still captured some footage for you guys. Put down the tripod and just put the phone on it and try to get some shots. And then look, Westford Court Hotel. They were working on the gate and I asked them when I was coming back, not this time, when I was coming back around, if it is open, and they say yes. They couldn't tell me when it was open because it's just workers working on the gate. They don't know, and I did not want to go into the hotel and ask them. But yeah, it appears to be open. So if that is the case, good. If not, then it would be open soon because I see a lot of things going on inside that area. All right, give you a shot of Old Hospital Park. Look at this glass thing broken. Oops. All right, and then I wanted to, while I'm on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, is actually to get to Margaritaville just to give you an update on what's going on there. And of course, I'm giving you a wide shot of that. Construction still taking place, not finished. So it doesn't look much different from the last visits. I'll probably put a shot of the last visit here, but I guess you can check out the video. It wasn't like a few weeks ago, probably a month ago. Yeah, you can find that video. Let me show you what it looked like. Trying to get another artistic shot here. Trying to get crafty with recording. Of course, as I said, the tripod is a little flimsy, but it works. You know, it works still. Close-up of Margaritaville construction site. Yeah, you know, it's across from Coral Cliffs. I'll show you that as well. And as you can see, look up into the sky. You say dark clouds them? Yeah, carrying boat for bus. And then me I go get stuck. But you'll see shortly. Enjoy the sounds of the traffic. It's looking like it's going to pour. Walking back around, decided to get a close-up of the hotel sign, and then the rain started. I'm gonna get stuck. Old Hospital Park. Decided to show you some shots, some proof. Yeah, that rain was pouring. I heard a lady that's working there, or she was, I think, working on some craft items, and she was saying that rain fall down there every day. Oh, look at North Gully. Look at North Gully. Oh my. And look at the garbage right here. Why so nasty so? Why you go just find one garbage bin now? They took the garbage under the fence. Look nasty, man. They need to clean it up, and Jamaicans need to stop being nasty. Gross. Sit me to mock.